Imagine a diesel engine so advanced, so revolutionary, it could redefine the future of trucking and heavy equipment. Again. Today we're diving deep into the new Cummins CX19 Prototype, a beast designed to crush emission standards, boost power, and turn heads across America. But here's the catch. This is just the beginning. What makes this engine not just different, but a game changer? Stick around, because what we reveal next could shake up the entire industry. Ready to find out? Wait, before we get into the tech, ever wondered why truck engines don't just run on coffee? Spoiler, it's more complicated than you think. First, let's set the stage. The trucking industry is at a crossroads. Tougher environmental regulations, soaring fuel prices, and the relentless push for efficiency mean manufacturers can no longer rely on business as usual. Enter Cummins, an iconic name synonymous with durability and innovation. The new CX19 Prototype is their answer to the future's demands. And it couldn't come at a better time for the USA. Why is this so urgent? The EPA's stricter emission targets for 2027 aren't just suggestions, they're mandates that could reshape the landscape of diesel power. Cummins is racing against the clock to deliver a solution that balances power, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness. And this prototype, it's the frontline soldier in that battle. But what exactly makes the CX19 stand out from the crowded field of diesel engines? Let's break it down. The heart of the CX19 lies in its revolutionary 19-litre displacement, a powerhouse designed to pack more punch without the weight. But don't mistake size for old-school brawn. This engine incorporates cutting-edge tech that pushes the boundaries of performance. First, the combustion process itself has been re-engineered with proprietary low-temperature combustion technology. This isn't just about squeezing more fuel into the cylinder. It's about igniting it more cleanly and efficiently. The result? Dramatically reduced nitrogen oxide emissions, a major culprit in air pollution. And speaking of emissions, here's where the CX19 really flexes its muscles. It features a next-gen after-treatment system, seamlessly integrated to reduce particulate matter and meet stringent EPA standards without sacrificing horsepower or torque. Think of it like a high-performance sports car with a fancy muffler that's actually doing good for the planet. Yeah, who knew an exhaust could be this cool? Moreover, the prototype uses advanced materials engineered for weight reduction and thermal efficiency. These materials help the engine run cooler and last longer, which translates directly into less downtime and more miles on the road. Now, let's talk power. The CX19 delivers an impressive range of torque, peaking at levels that promise to haul the heaviest loads with ease. But here's the twist. It manages this while improving fuel economy, a holy grail for fleet operators trying to balance budgets in a turbulent economy. But the real question is, how will this prototype perform in the wild? That's where things get even more interesting. The resolution, what's next for the CX19 and you? Cummins isn't just building a better engine, they're building a smarter one. The CX19 prototype is equipped with advanced telematics integration, providing real-time data analytics to fleet managers and operators. Imagine predictive maintenance alerts before a problem turns into costly downtime. This is the future of diesel engine management. Fleet owners in the USA can expect a game-changing reduction in operational costs and emissions penalties, creating a win-win scenario for business and the environment. But here's a kicker. With all this promise, when will the CX19 hit the market? And will it live up to the hype once it's out on American highways? The truth is, the prototype is still in testing phases, but early reports suggest Cummins is on track for a rollout that could start transforming trucking fleets within the next few years. And trust me, the impact won't just be incremental, it's poised to be revolutionary. For fleet operators, equipment manufacturers, and even you. If you're passionate about the future of diesel power, now is the time to watch closely. The CX19 could redefine everything you know about efficiency, power, and sustainability on the road. So, will the Cummins CX19 be the diesel engine that finally breaks the mold? The countdown has begun, and we'll be here to bring you every update, every breakthrough. Don't blink, because the future of trucking is speeding toward us faster than you think. Hit subscribe and ring the bell, because next time we'll unpack the first real-world test results of the CX19. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Unless, of course, you prefer your engines like your coffee, old, slow, and with a bit of a smoky aftertaste. Not us.